Many of my female patients often come to me complaining about their constant back pain, wrist pain, shoulder pain, and unbearable muscle soreness. And there is always a confused look on their face when I tell them that their posture is the silent killer. But it is the truth. The way you stand, sit, or even move your wrist while doing the chores can save you from all this pain. Hi, I'm Dr. Sandhya Ravi, and this is a special video for all you hardworking housewives out there. I'm going to share 5 postural hacks for housewives to practice during everyday chores. Let's dive in. Posture 1. Standing while cooking. Now, as you all know, preparing a delicious meal takes a lot of standing in the kitchen, which of course later comes with a whole body pain package. But there is a way to avoid it. Let me show you how. Step 1. Whenever you're cooking, remember to stand tall and keep your shoulder relaxed. Step 2. Distribute your weight evenly on both the legs. This will help reduce the pressure on your spine and is a great way to avoid back pain. Step 3. Rather than stretching your neck, back, or lifting your heels, move a little forward or use a small tool. So next time you're in the kitchen, being the perfect chef, strike that perfect cooking pose too. Posture 2. Lifting heavy objects. Now you must be thinking, no, I don't lift heavy weights daily. But you do. Think about the laundry basket, groceries, mop bucket, vacuum cleaner, and children too. I'm not saying you should avoid doing these things, but to avoid the risk of back injury, there are certain things you should keep in mind while doing these chores. Step 1. Stand with feet flat on the floor to avoid twisting the ankle. Step 2. Whenever you're lifting, keep it close to your body. Step 3. Gently bend your knees, not your back. Step 4. Use your core muscles as you lift while holding the objects close to your body. So next time you lift something heavy, try this 4 steps. Let me know in the comments if it made a difference for you. Now let's move on to the posture number 3. If you want to know more about lifting various heavy objects safely, watch this video. Posture 3. Moving while vacuuming and mopping. So, these are the tasks that requires continuous movements, which can strain your back and arms if not done correctly. Since I'm here, you don't have to worry about that. Come, I will show you how to do it safely. Step 1. Stand straight and maintain balance. Step 2. As you hold the mop or the vacuum cleaner, keep your arms close to your body and avoid stretching them too far. Step 3. Use your core muscles while pushing and pulling to support your back. Step 4. Whenever you want to move, just walk a little ahead and avoid constantly bending to cover the entire area. Simple, right? Also, if you use vacuum cleaner daily, I would suggest you switch to vacuum cleaner with adjustable handles to stand comfortably and reduce wrist strain. Posture 4. Moving the hand while cleaning dishes. Moving the hand while cleaning dishes, we are clear on how to stand properly from the earlier, right? But you should also make sure that your wrists are moving correctly as you scrub. I'll give you a demo. Step 1. Place the utensils on the kitchen floor, never hold it up. Keep it down while you're scrubbing. Step 2. Hold the utensil like this with one hand and use the other hand to scrub. Step 3. Avoid twisting your wrist too much and maintain one motion. Step 4. You don't have to punish your arm by scrubbing too hard. Just pre-soak for a while and see how gentle it gets cleaned. Just follow these steps and be mindful on how to move and stretch your arm while scrubbing. It's a simple way to pain-free life. Posture 5. Moving while dusting. While it's a simple job, a minor mistake can cause too much pain. So get your dusting tools and follow me. Step 1. First thing first. Stretch your arms and back a little as you prepare for the task. Step 2. Make sure you use a feather duster. If you're using a cloth, it can be tricky to reach the top or corner areas. Step 3. Move your arm gently and avoid putting too much pressure on it. After all, it is just dust. Step 4. Whenever you're dusting hard to reach areas such as high shelves or ceiling corners, use a stable step stool or ladder to avoid overstretching or straining your muscles. If you're cleaning for an extended period, make sure to drink lots of water, take breaks to relax your muscles, and don't forget to cover your nose with mask or a cloth. And there you have it. 5 simple hacks to do chores the pain-free way. Now, before I leave, I want to take a moment to appreciate all the housewives for their constant hard work to make life better for their families. This video was my contribution to all your hard work because I understand you, I support you, and I'm very proud of you. Now it's your turn to keep yourself healthy. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching and take care. I will see you in the next one.